Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you step by step process for hair straightening. So let's get started. So step 1, detangle your hair properly and iron like this. Step 2 is to use heat protection. I'm using my Optic Hair serum for the heat protection. Take few pump and rub it in your hand, in your fingers, and do it like this. Make sure you're doing specifically in your ends like this. Step 3, section your hair. I'm taking small sections, and rest of your hair, tie it. You can clip it. I'm using Remington hair straightener, and let's get started. So I'm taking half of the hair section from here and straightening. You can see, make sure you do straight your hair from your roots, otherwise it won't look good. So, these are pretty straight now. Okay, let me do the straightening from the roots. I'm taking the another section. Make sure you are doing properly from the back and don't skip the back side to straight, especially the back side roots. Now I'm going to take another section like this. Okay, for this, make sure you don't burn your ears. Be careful with this. I'm telling you, please be sure that you will straight your hair from your back. Please don't skip it, otherwise it will look very weird from back. Okay, it will look very weird from back, so make sure you are straightening your hair. Let me straighten my baby hairs as well. Taking the front section now. Okay, I think I am done. So these are pretty straight hairs. It took me approx 10 minutes to straighten my hair, and as these are small hairs, so it took me less minute, but may take you longer minute if you have long hair. So that totally depends on your hair length of your hair. I'm sorry. So you can add serum for more shine, but I think my hairs are pretty shiny, so I'm not adding anything for shine, otherwise it will become sticky. So this is the final look. Let me know in the comment section how do you guys like it. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and do like this video, comment and share to everyone. Thank you everyone. Bye.